I have a 2018 Ford F-150 here. This one is getting a bunch of stuff done to it, but I'm going to start off on the front end. It's getting this frame section right here. This side little perch here actually got torn. It's torn all the way across right here. So, and you can't buy just that piece. You have to buy this whole frame section. It has a seam right here where it slides inside of the existing frame right there. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to start cutting this old section out, and then I'll start fitting the new one up and get it all measured out. Alright, I got this measuring system centered to the frame of this truck. So now it knows where the truck's sitting. I can come up here and I can make some measurements on this front piece that I'm replacing. Make sure I get it exactly where I want it. Alright, I got this frame section all fit up. It measures out perfectly. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to weld this thing on in. So this is 3M cavity wax. I'm going to hose it on the inside of this frame to prevent the inside where any bare metal is. Where I welded it in at, it'll prevent that. It'll coat all that and prevent it from rusting.